Now read. Read. Read aloud. Read aloud. Hands on your eyes closed. Read. Eyes closed. Eyes closed. How are you reading? If your eyes are closed, you are cheating. Please, guys, I am requesting you to be at least a little honest about this.
I cannot read.
No, what cannot read? Read. Read. Close your eyes and read. Read, Akash. I don't care if you cannot read. Close your eyes. Can you? Can you, Krishna? Read. Read. This is what we do. We force people to do things that they can't. Without telling them how they can. Open your eyes, everyone. We force people, we push people to do things that they can't without telling them how. He had his eyes open, that is why he was reading. He was cheating. And this is exactly how people who have visual impairments or people who are blind feel. If I give them a book like this and put it in front of them and say read, can they read? No. If I take out my specs and so on, hold the book over there and say read, I can't read. In fact, I can't even read from over here. What is blindness? Blindness happens when our eyes cannot send information to our brains. We all know we have sensory organs. We all know that our sensory organs send information to our brain. Now what we see, that goes to our brain through our eyes. Blindness happens when our eyes cannot do that. Okay? Now we can be little blind or completely blind. Little blind, for example, me. I'm little blind. It's not like I can't see anything. Now for example, if I'm sitting here, I can see that's Harshavardhan, I can see Om's face. But if I sit, wear my specs, I can see the person over there also and I can see, I can't see things that are far. Anika, for example, is a little blind. Veda Didi is, she wears specs. Sandhya ma'am, your drawing teacher is, she wears specs. Different people, Krishna also. Right? Now, yes. Now people are, I think we all know. Does anybody not know people who don't wear specs? Does anybody not know people who don't wear specs? I think we all, can I assume that we all know somebody? You have seen me, you all know me? You all know, you've all seen people who wear specs? People who are little blind, who have less visual impairment, they use things like spectacles to help them. Now this is where the things change. If I identify what problem that person is having. Now for example, Anika. Okay, Anika can't see without her specs. I make her sit in Siddhi's seat. And when she can't read out the board, I yell at her. Anika, why can't you? Read out. Read it aloud. You are not paying attention. You are not listening to me. Am I right? No. I have to identify that she is having a difficulty. When I do identify that she is having a difficulty, I help her out with it. By giving her spectacles, I say this is how you can overcome your disability. It doesn't matter if you are disabled. Like we are saying, I don't know why. I personally, in my opinion, I don't know why people treat the word disability as a bad word. We are all born different. We are all born in some way disabled and some way not. So we have to identify and help the person. Now, for example, if I say, take a peek from your eye and read, you will be able to read. So I am enabling you. I am telling you what you can do to remove that blindness. Right? Now, people who are completely blind also have different ways to read. This is reading, you guys. Yes, I have examples to explain. People walking also. People use canes to walk or dogs to guide them. This is an example of reading. I showed you an example of this on Wednesday. This is called braille. Okay, this was invented by a person called Louis Braille. These are alphabets, just like we have ABCD. They also have different alphabets with different dots. And how does this work? This is how it works. whatever you touched, you could feel it, no, on the paper when I showed the braille to you. That is how you have those things printed raised. So when somebody is basically touching it, they can't see it, but they know the alphabet. So just like we are reading this. Nar, anar. I'll give you time for questions. Okay, just keep the questions. Nar. I'm watching. My eyes are giving the information that this is na, and r. In braille, we have different alphabets, so the person will hold it and understand that information. The skin will be giving the information that it is na, r. Understood? So this is how braille works, and this is an example of how people with visual impairment can read. There are other examples of how they can go about other things. People help them. For example, they have different instruments to help them. For example, cane or dog leg. I'm repeating myself, but I hope you have understood. Have you understood this? Questions? Harshada?
How means they have dotted blue, then how they know that that is only because the sides are also near to this.
So they have been, so basically, Harshada, before coming to school, we taught you ABCD in school. Or your mom, somebody taught you, your dad, somebody taught you ABCD. Did you know it by yourself? No. Did you know how to sit and read a book by yourself? No. That is how they are also taught. They are also taught. Everybody who is blind cannot read braille. It's just like we come to school and learn Marathi, English, Hindi. If I give you German, will you be able to read? If I give you Tamil, will you be able to read? No. So that is how they are taught how to read that language. Braille is a language. Only it's not a language like your Hindi and Marathi. It's a different language that you can touch and send information. Aditya. They are taught that. They are taught how to differentiate. Now, if this is very technical, Aditya. If I'm writing Aditya, if I write A over here, D over here, I over here, T over here, Y over here, my brain is telling me, that the whole thing is Aditya. They're not supposed to be joined. They're supposed to be like that. Just like. Okay, guys, I don't have a braille. I'll try getting an entire page of braille, okay? Just remind me. Tomorrow I'll show you what a braille page looks like. I don't think I'll get a paper, but I think I'll get a picture of it so that you can see what a page of braille looks like. It looks exactly like any other page, except for you have to touch it because you get the feeling, and the feeling tells you, the touch tells you your information, your brain or the information. Okay? Take that. Garish, can you please solve that between yourselves? Please tell him. Aditi?